Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. Welcome back to my channel. This is Java Tutorial 6, how to print a semicolon without using a semicolon. This is one of the important questions in an interview or exam. Before starting, if you're first time watching my video and you want to learn more about Java, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. This is our favorite NetBeans IDE. My condition is to print a semicolon without using a semicolon anywhere in the code. SOUT tab. First I have to change this ln method as printf. I have to use percentage sign with character C, comma, single quotation, semicolon. Save this one, run the project, semicolon. However, I am using semicolon here, but my condition is I cannot use semicolon anywhere in the code. I can do another thing that is called ASCII table. I am going to the browser, writing ASCII, 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 and go to our favorite website Wikipedia. ASCII abbreviated from American Standard Code for Information Interchange is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. For semicolon, there is a corresponding ASCII code or value. Let's look at the ASCII table. '59. Look at here. For semicolon, there is a corresponding ASCII value that is 59. 59 is decimal value. Therefore, we have known that the ASCII value of semicolon in decimal, that is 59. Let's go to the NetBeans. 59. I'm writing fast. ASCII value for semicolon is 59. Completing this one. ASCII value for semicolon is 59. That's why using 59 to print semicolon. Saving this project. Run the project. Check semicolon. But look at this semicolon. We are still using semicolon. Now What will we do? First, check this method. Keyboard shortcut Control and click printf. Printf returns print stream object which is not null. So one thing we can do using if statement, I'm copying this one, equal null, as printf returns print stream object which is not null value. Let's check. We do not use semicolon anywhere. Now save this code. Now run the project to check whether we can print semicolon without using semicolon anywhere. Run this one. Check. Now we have got our expected output semicolon without using semicolon. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.